So, let's see what is the message of the universe for you. Sabi sa'yo na universe, it's good to feel good. Okay, so take away all the negative energies away from you and return the evil eye to the sender. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Whoever is wishing you na magkamali ka or malasin ka, babalik yan sa kanya. And sa tingin ko, you have seen this story kasi kailangan mo nang mag-isip ng ibang way na hindi ka makokopya. Kasi for me, when a person becomes like elevating and successful, dun lumalabas ang haters. So, hindi mo naman sinasadya na galit sila sa'yo or magalit talaga totally. And I think, parang gusto mo ayusin yung